Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today is another video of what TF did I order. This was delivered, and I don't know what's inside. It was delivered along with another package, but I don't believe I received a notification for this one. And if you all know, when you order from eBay, it's they're different sellers, so, and a lot of times their names as the seller on eBay is not going to match the name on the package. So we are going to unbox and unwrap and find out together. Without cutting myself, because it's taped up pretty good, and I'm opening it from the bottom because the address and everything was taped on, like double taped on the front, so it would have taken me longer to take all of that off. So I decided to carefully open it from the bottom. Oh, okay. I believe this is a throwback purchase that I made. And I hope I'm not messing up how it's packaged, because again, I opened it backwards. Okay, I didn't. I did a good job. So it's just bubble paper at the bottom. So let's unwrap it, y'all, and see what it is. At least it is in a bag, and it's pretty heavy, so that's letting me know that it's stuffed very well. This is a DB75 satchel. This had to have come out, I would say, at least 10 to 15 years ago. And that's just an estimate. So y'all, let's inspect it together. So it does have a logo lock charm. That looks pretty good. The handles look really good. The stitching and everything is held up. Just want to make sure I get it in the shot for you all to see. And let's look at the other side. Crossbody strap loop looks okay. Let's look at the strap. The strap itself looks pretty good. It looks like the edges are still intact. Okay. This handle looks good. It really looks just like it's dusty, y'all. Like, I just need to wipe it down. It looks like it's probably been sitting up. So let's look at the feet. This foot, it really looks like it probably just needs some conditioner. I don't really see a scratch or anything on it. And actually, this is the corner, not the feet. The feet look pretty good all in all themselves. Those two look pretty good. Those two look pretty good. So back to the corners. See, that corner, it just looks dry, like it needs some conditioner. So I'm definitely going to try, after wiping it down and sanitizing it, I'm going to try putting conditioner on it to see if that brings the shine back on the corners. But y'all, these corners look pretty good. And look at that stitching detail around the corner as well. That's pretty. And I'm not sure how it's coming up on video, but this color, it is black. I thought it was brown online, but it is black. So it does have the Dooney and Bourke stitch leather logo patch there across. No, oh, it does have the genuine vachetta leather leather patch here stitched as well. So far so good, y'all. Let's look inside. Leather tab looks good also. Okay, the key keeper is more like the raw leather color. And let's see what's inside, because it feels heavy just to have plastic in it. But it's just plastic. Let me make sure there's nothing in the plastic. No, nothing in the plastic. So let me put it inside of this other plastic. Put that back in the box. Okay, so for a closer look inside. Okay, so it's definitely been used. I see lint and dust. A little bit of wear stains there. That looks like that could be washed out. The slip pockets. This one does have a snap closure. And this is on the back side of the purse. Front side. Zipper goes all the way across. Oh, yeah, I'm about to turn this inside out, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see all the dust and crumbs in there? Yeah, this is going to have to require a deep cleaning. Deep cleaning. But all in all, I don't really see anything terrible. It looks like it all can be washed. Vacuumed, washed, and lint rolled. And here's the Dooney and Bourke label there. And let's see where this particular bag was made. If I can read it. Let's see. This one's saying made in China. That's what it says, y'all. So this one is not a U.S. made Dooney and Bourke. It does have the code there on the back. So this is Italian coated cotton with vachetta leather trim. So this is definitely a throwback purse. The zipper, it opened pretty good. Is it not going to close? There we go. The zipper, oh, I left the key keeper out. Zipper's not too bad. I am surprised to see a brown key keeper in it though. And the brown trim inside. But all in all, it looks to be real. A genuine Dooney and Bourke throwback silhouette and print. So I'm going to say I am happy with my purchase. I am going to look for a wristlet to match. If I can't find one, I can definitely pair a black wristlet with this. Black and tan would be pretty accessory colors to pair with this. So that shouldn't be hard to do, excuse me, at all. But y'all let me know if y'all think this was a good find. And if you have any idea when this particular print, it is DB75. Let me bring it closer. I'm not sure if I brought it close for y'all to get a better look at it. And you can kind of see certain areas that I'm going to have to wipe down and clean pretty good. And flip the lock over so y'all can see that as well. But let me know if you all have any idea when this particular DB75 1975 print and color came out, because I don't know. I just know it has to be over 10 years old based on the filling everything up and the design of it, because I do have a DB75 in the, I believe it's the Splash collection that it was part of the 16 Days of Dooney and Bourke in May videos that I have, and I know that one was at least from 2011 or 12. So maybe this one is from around that same time. I'm not sure. But give me a good guess, y'all, or if you know, definitely comment and let me know. But in all, I'm happy with my purchase. I look forward to cleaning it up and carrying it and seeing how that condition is going to work on these corners as well. So, thank you all. This is another successful opening of What TF Did I Order? And I look forward to seeing you all's comments. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. As always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in the next video.